Good morning all. Good morning all. It's a beautiful morning. It's a beautiful morning. Look at this very small structure. Very small structure. Doing a very wonderful work. It's a dairy. It's a dairy project. A very small structure, but being used efficiently. Very small structure. It's being used very efficiently. I see they are milking the cow. This is the feeder for the cow. A bit of chopped napier grass, some bleaching salt. Very brilliant, very brilliant. It's use of very small spaces for maximum benefit. It's very good work. So to all farmers, to all aspiring farmers, no matter the size of your farm, no matter the size of your spaces, through sheer will, you can be able to do so many projects. It's very brilliant, it's very beautiful. Very good. Very good. So it's a wonderful morning. Thank you for joining.